This video is for those of you that have the Spyder GS or RS model that first came out in 2008. It shows you how to install the cup holder that is mounted on the left side. Hey guys, it's Kerwin from Providence Spyder Accessories, and this video is in real time, and it will take you about 43 seconds to do the installation. So the first thing you want to do is to identify these two screws on the side of the vehicle. They are about 5.5 inches apart. Then lay out your tools. You do not need power tools. You just need the appropriate screwdriver bit, and you're going to remove this first screw entirely. Set it aside, and then this second screw, you're just going to back it away just a little bit, about halfway out. You're going to take the bracket, you're going to slide it under that screw, and then you're going to take the first screw that you took out and put that back in. You're next going to tighten those two screws down, and you are done. When we clock this, it takes all of 43 seconds to install this cup holder. The cup is not included, but we do provide information as to where to buy the most appropriate cup for this design. It holds about 17 ounces. And it sits down nice and low, so it gives you that sporty look to the vehicle and easy to access. We will only be making a limited number of these, so if you want one, you have to order now. Follow the link in this post to our YouTube page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. After you do that, you qualify for a discount on this product. Our YouTube page has a link that will take you straight to our web store, where you will also get free shipping.